Think fast, answer smart. The Quizaro quiz begins now.
Question number 1. Which subatomic particle has a negative charge? A. Proton. B. Neutron. C. Electron. D. Positron. Answer is C. Electron. Electrons are subatomic particles with a negative charge, while protons have a positive charge and neutrons have no charge. Question number 2. The atomic number of an element represents A. The number of protons in its nucleus. B. The number of neutrons in its nucleus. C. The number of electrons in its outer shell. D. The number of electrons in the atom. Answer is A. The number of protons in its nucleus. The atomic number is defined by the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom, which also determines the element's identity. The atomic number represented by the letter Z of an element is the number of protons in the nucleus of each atom of that element. An atom can be classified as a particular element based solely on its atomic number. Question number 3. Which of the following elements is a noble gas? A. Nitrogen. B. Helium. C. Oxygen. D. Chlorine. Answer is B. Helium. Helium is a noble gas, known for being inert and non-reactive due to its full outer electron shell. The noble gases, historically the inert gases, sometimes referred to as aerogens, are the members of group 18 of the periodic table: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, and in some cases oganesson. Question number 4. A covalent bond is formed by A. The transfer of electrons. B. The sharing of electrons. C. The gain of protons. D. The sharing of protons. Answer is B. The sharing of electrons. In a covalent bond, two atoms share pairs of electrons to achieve a full outer electron shell. Covalent bond in chemistry, the interatomic linkage that results from the sharing of an electron pair between two atoms. The binding arises from the electrostatic attraction of their nuclei for the same electrons. Question number 5. The pH of a solution is a measure of its A. Proton concentration. B. Hydroxide ion concentration. C. Hydrogen concentration. D. Neutron concentration. Answer is C. Hydrogen ion concentration. pH is a measure of how acidic basic water is. The range goes from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. pHs of less than 7 indicate acidity, whereas if pH of greater than 7 indicates alkaline or base. Question number 6. The process of turning a solid directly into a gas is called A. Condensation. B. Sublimation. C. Evaporation. D. Deposition. Answer is B. Sublimation. Sublimation is the process by which a solid changes directly into a gas without passing through the liquid state, as with dry ice turning into carbon dioxide gas. Question number 7. Which of the following substances is a base? A. Sodium chloride. B. Hydrogen chloride. C. Sodium hydroxide. D. Methane. Answer is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a base because it dissociates in water to produce hydroxide ions, which can neutralize acids. Question number 8. Which gas is produced during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Answer is A. Oxygen. During photosynthesis, plants convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen, with oxygen being released as a byproduct. Plants, during the process of photosynthesis, take up carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and use sunlight along with it to make their food. The gas produced as a result of photosynthesis is oxygen. Question number 9. What is the most abundant element in the Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Nitrogen, D. Carbon dioxide. Answer is C. Nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere, followed by oxygen at about 21%. Question number 10. The atomic mass of an element is approximately equal to A. The number of electrons, B. The number of protons, C. The sum of protons and neutrons, D. The number of neutrons. Answer is C. The sum of protons and neutrons. The atomic mass is roughly the sum of the number of protons and neutrons in an atom's nucleus, as electrons have negligible mass. Since protons and neutrons account for almost all of the mass of the given atom, the atomic mass of the given element is almost equal to its mass number. Question number 11. In the periodic table, elements in the same group have A. The same number of electron shells, B. Similar chemical properties, C. The same atomic number, D. The same number of neutrons. Answer is B. Similar chemical properties. Elements in the same group column of the periodic table have similar chemical properties because they have the same number of electrons in their outermost shell. Question number 12. The bond between sodium and chlorine in sodium chloride is A. Covalent, B. Ionic, C. Metallic, D. Hydrogen.
Answer is B. Ionic. Sodium donates an electron to chlorine, forming an ionic bond where opposite charges attract, ionic bonding in sodium chloride. An atom of sodium donates one of its electrons to an atom of chlorine in a chemical reaction, and the resulting positive ion and negative ion form a stable ionic compound sodium chloride common table salt based on this ionic bond. Question 13. Which element is a liquid at room temperature? A. Iron, B. Mercury, C. Aluminum, D. Gold. Answer is B. Mercury. Mercury is a metal that remains in liquid form at room temperature, unlike most other metals, which are solid. Question number 14. The number of electrons in a neutral atom of carbon C is A. 4, B. 6, C. 8, D. 12. Answer is B. 6. A neutral atom has the same number of protons and electrons. Carbon has an atomic number of 6, meaning it has 6 protons and, in a neutral state, 6 electrons. Question number 15. The law of conservation of mass states that A. Matter can be created and destroyed. B. Matter is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. C. Energy is conserved in every reaction. D. Mass can change form during reactions. Answer is B. Matter is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. The law of conservation of mass states that the total mass of reactants equals the total mass of products in a chemical reaction. In other words, mass cannot be created or destroyed during a chemical reaction, but is always conserved.
Please like, share and subscribe for more knowledgeable videos.